World business analysts at long last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are imperfect and temperamental. The world necessitates a substantially more steady and solid money. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning manageability and versatility. In any case, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. Consistently, the half-breed agreement system of blockchain and different tokens spinning around it has likewise been in warm conversation. Before we dive into the Tezos cost forecast, let us view a portion of the novel highlights of Tezos. In any case, not many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Huge exchange expenses and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in experimentally evolved stages. Numerous cryptographic forms of money neglected to change these issues. Digital currencies like Tezos has step-by-step swarmed the standard awareness and got forward movement. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so gave it a mass reception, despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain. Neither the source nor the beneficiary and not even the sum moved is in any capacity clear to different clients on the organization. The whole structure of Tezos depends on zero divergence proof, subsequently permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange strategy, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Putting the power at last in the possession of the client, Tezos has normal update plans, and that implies this convention is versatile to meet the fluctuated use instances of today and the unanticipated use instances of tomorrow. Tezos can trap deceitful or misleading exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the former block. Tezos, the rising sun. Tezos cost expectation has genuinely somersaulted somewhat recently, thoroughly changing the pattern from the very start towards the year's end. XTZ has had a noteworthy excursion all through. All said and done, XTZ pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for unions. New organizations would carry XTZ to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded cryptographic money. Simultaneously, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for crypto opponents of XTZ. The last year was moving with excitement to express buy to, primarily because of pandemic negative patterns winning carrying the coin to 90 pennies. Nonetheless, the start of 2022 implied XTZ could offer a buy to all negative and critical patterns for the universe of digital currency, particularly for XTZ. It could mean the beginning of a time of expectations and commitments brimming with confidence. There could be a conjecture of marvels in the realm of digital forms of money like XTZ. There could be sorcery temporarily. 5 years is quite a while. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul instead of the present moment. As per the most recent long-haul Tezos cost estimate, the coin cost will hit $5 by the center of 2022 and afterward $10 toward the finish of 2024. As per ongoing long-haul gauges, the cost of Tezos will cross $13.58 toward the finish of 2022, $9.81 toward the finish of 2023, and $59.88 toward the finish of 2025. Tezos will then be valued at $48.18 in 2027 and $168.68 in 2030, assuming that XTZ lives to the point of seeing 2025. That would mean the undertaking endured for the long haul, conveyed the arranged item, and has a steady, developing client base. That implies XTZ would cost around $55 per coin. In light of our Tezos cost estimate, the XTZ cost could stretch around $3.50 by 2022. The most extreme cost may be around $4.34 and the base will be around $2.95 before the current year's over. The Guaj Tezos cost toward the finish of 2022 is $5.64. In 2022, we hope to see $5.24 per 1 Tezos. In the primary portion of 2023, the Tezos cost will move to $6.93. In the final part, the cost would add $1.56 and close the year at $8.49. In light of our figures, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2027 is $12.151. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 217.76%. The progressive yet consistent ascent in the cost of Tezos might not have won it the highest digital money grant. Yet brilliant financial backers have figured out how to trust that this resource will perform and make all the difference for trade. All the more significantly, despite the fact that the new presentation of Tezos has not soared on the trade ascending to magnificent. One conspicuous truth that arises here is Tezos is setting down deep roots, rise, fill in the business sectors in full blossom. Tezos Value Forecast 2022 to 2026, contending and propping in the extreme business sectors. XTZ is a computerized cryptographic money that has raised its own height, being known as an advanced or virtual resource with no coordinated operations or state borders limitations. One cryptographic money will not show homage focal government pressures or be fastened and damaged in administrative financial shackles. Pandemic has brought to front a mechanical upset has shown a guide to financial backers as XTZ, and thinks about what? All with simply a web association and a cell phone. Tezos has made it feasible for everybody to store and move esteem in a money that is impervious to control. Tezos saw the chance to remove power from the organizations and offer a superior support, and individuals answered. XTZ works generally. Interestingly, there is plausible of a worldwide money. With a genuinely worldwide cash, opportunities for worldwide financial development and social fairness are interminable. Supported by an upgraded decentralized Accord and built-up network, XTZ plans to offer a firmly established benefit to its clients by conveying its prizes instrument. The vision is to help the decentralized applications in XTZ, consuming lesser energy and offering greater unwavering quality, all with a soaring pace. No different either way. This vision is accomplished by giving the ceaseless limit of XTZ's principal organization. Tezos Value Expectation 2022. On the off chance that all market factors turn for Tezos, this digital money cost will perform extravagantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned, violating all limits over the course of the following year. Despite the fact that it might show a few slow patterns, it would definitely give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Upheld by vigorous shrewd agreements, the Tezos cost may effortlessly contact $5.60 before the year's over 2022. Tezos Value Expectation 2023. The brains cut the usefulness behind Tezos cryptographic money. Consequently, over a time of, say, 3 years, the token is set to hurry up with different coins to show up at a $6 minus $6.80 cost. Financial backers, be that as it may, need to look out for any unexpected elements. No one could foresee the pandemic. Tezos Value Expectation 2024. Keeping in context, there are no boomerang impacts in the digital money markets. Tezos is good to go to certify areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Tezos coin cost, taking it across all boundaries, scaling $8. Tezos Value Expectation 2025. A stunning positive thinking is likewise anticipated for the XTZ cost, fundamentally because of its reliable presentation throughout the long term. Thus, this year will be a super gold mine for the cryptographic money market, as the valued computerized resource will outperform all assumptions and flood in front of its significant opposition level. Seeing an ascent more than ever, the Tezos cost makes certain to cross another unequaled high of $10 from where it stands today. Tezos Value Expectation 2026. Presumably, a simple-to-utilize Tezos is great. It is more utilitarian and promising when it is not difficult to spend. Tezos laid out a quick, solid organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can